Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 Direct Capability Assessment 2021. In this video, we will discuss about a survey, April 2021. And this survey is about you want to give test from home or you want to give test from ION Center. This is what we are going to discuss in this video. And we will also discuss system requirement for giving test from home. Owing to the current situation, we are allowing aspirants to choose between online remote product assessment and in-person assessment conducted at TCS ION Center. By default, you will be considered for an in-person assessment. However, should you wish to take the assessment online, please fill the survey latest by 9th April, end of the day. So tomorrow will be the last day to fill this survey. So fill the survey as soon as possible. Link will also be provided to you in description to fill the survey. Please note that you shall not be allowed to appear for both online and in-person assessment. The remote assessment will be conducted in batches on 18th, 22nd and 26th of April. Based on the capacity in each shift, associate will be batched to a shift in a first come first serve model. Now, here are some important activities to prepare yourself and get ready for the remote product assessment. It is mandatory to do the below mentioned check for the hassle-free product assessment and to avoid any issues during the actual assessment. IRC, Infra Readiness Check, to ensure that the associate system has required infrastructure for the assessment. DRC, Dry Run Check, is the simulation of the actual assessment with remote preparing. Associate need to download the launcher and take the dry run assessment. In case of any issues, associate can connect with the ION help desk team. Both ION preparators and help desk team would be available to guide you on IRC and DRC. It is highly recommended to have the below system requirement in order to proceed for remote prepared assessment. System requirement for digital preparing: working webcam and a microphone, preferred inbuilt webcam or plug play webcam. Stable internet speed of more than 5 Mbps. IBM iLeon launcher is supported in operating system Windows 10 recommended, Ubuntu 14 and 16. Mac OS is not supported. Recommended browser: Google Chrome, all versions with browser zoom set to 100%. A minimum 100 MB of free disk space to download a 45 MB file which is required to launch the assessment. Launcher download details will be shared in the community. Exam launcher based on the operating system should be downloaded before the assessment. Assessment should not be taken via mobile phones. System clock time should be correct. Use standard keyboard. In case international keyboard is used, make sure to install language in the system as per the instruction document. Refer to the appendix in SOP to avoid keyboard issues while entering the special characters. Any of TCS or personal machine can be used. Please use your personal laptop in case of any issues with admin right for installing launcher in TCS laptop. Please ensure the assessment link is accessible in your system, and this link will also be provided to you in description. This is only to check if the link is accessible. The actual credentials will be shared later. Please ensure that the above infrastructure requirements are available to take the remote product assessment and respond to the below survey questions. So here you have to acknowledge that you have read all the infra requirement mentioned in the NOMI blog, and after that this will be the survey question that you have to answer. Yes, I am interested and I have the required infrastructure for the remote assessment. No, I am not interested. I would prefer in-person assessment conducted at TCS ION Center. So these will be two survey questions. You can select any of these as per your preference. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India.